review of Unit 8, and we are going to do some exercises and spelling exercises and reading and other things. Okay, can you tell me please what day is today? Okay, excellent. Today is Wednesday. Okay, and can you tell me what month is it? Okay, very good. It's April. And the number of days, excellent, 29. And the year 2020. Very good. Now tell me, what season of the year is it? In what season are we? Yes, in spring. And spring. And can you tell me how is the weather at home? Is it sunny or rainy or cloudy? Because here in the school it's a sunny day. So I'm going to write here that today is a sunny day. Okay, kids. Did you study the questions that I asked you? That I asked you the last class? The first one was, what's your name? How old are you? What's your mom's name? What's your dad's name? Yes? Okay, now we are going to write other 3 questions. Okay, so that you can answer them and write a complete answer. Okay? I want to ask you, for example, what did you do yesterday? Okay, it's a sentence in past tense. What did you do yesterday? And you are going to answer. Okay? For example, I did my homework, I went to the supermarket, or maybe I played with my friends. I don't know. Okay? You are going to write here, but just remember that it's a sentence in past tense. Okay. Number 2. Okay? You are going to tell me again. This is a question in past tense. What did you have for breakfast today in the morning? Okay? Okay. What did you have for breakfast? For example, I had for breakfast ham and eggs. Do you know what is ham and eggs? Scrambled. Okay. Yes. I ate that. Okay? And number 3. You are going to answer here. Okay, kids? Okay. What food do you like? Okay, check this. This is a sentence in present. What food do you like? For example, I like burgers, I like soup, I like meat. Okay? And number 4. Okay, we are going to write here. What's your favorite drink? Okay? What's your favorite drink? For example, my favorite drink is a milkshake, a chocolate milkshake. And what's your favorite drink? Maybe a soda, maybe a juice, maybe water. Okay, you are going to write here with a complete answer, what's your favorite drink? And the last one. Okay, we are going to write here, what? Pay attention. In future, what are you going example, what are you going to do this afternoon? I'm going to read a book, an interesting book. Or I am going to go to my history classes online. Or I'm going to watch TV. Okay, I don't know. But you are going to answer these questions and then please take a photograph, write them in your notebooks, don't forget that. Okay, we are going to check the homework that I lent you for homework. Remember this poster, respecting nature? Okay, we already see that poster. And look, we are going to answer the questions. Okay, can you tell me who is doing something helpful here at the zoo? Can you tell me who is doing something helpful? Okay. Okay, here we have a dad and a mom and a baby. And they are carrying their baby. They are taking a ride with their baby. Okay? Now, very good. If you wrote this answer, yes, you are right. And then we are going to see who is doing something safe. Can you see who is doing something safe? Okay, look, we have here that this boy and this girl are doing something safe because they are closing this gate so that sheep can be here. Okay? Yes, good. Now, the third question is, who is doing something unhelpful? Unhelpful. Who? Tell me. Okay, I think that this boy is doing something unhelpful because he is playing, he has the gate opened, and no, imagine the zebras can get out and run away, no, and the boy can fall down and have an accident. For that reason, he is doing something unhelpful. And the last question, who is doing something dangerous? Okay, did you find who is doing something dangerous? Okay, this boy is doing something very dangerous because look, he is in a tree and he is trying to feed these crocodiles or alligators. He's trying to feed them, but imagine if he fell down, if he falls down here, what is going to happen? Oh, imagine the crocodiles can eat him. No? Okay, very good. If you answer these questions, very good. And now we're going to continue with some spelling words. Okay? The words from our list. Okay? And last time we spelled 10 words. Now we are going to spell another 10 words. And we are going to start with a long word that is photography. Okay? Can you remember how do you spell photography? Okay, I'm going to write here. Number 1, photography. 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 Yes? Okay, we have another word that is village. Do you remember village? Okay, tell me please the letters of village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Good. Now, another long word is thermometer. Can you spell it for me, please? Okay, we have here Thermometer. Good. Okay, let's continue with S. M-E-A-S-U-R-E. Measure. Very good, kids. Let's continue with scale. Okay? Do you have the word? Okay, tell me scale. S-C-A-L-E. Scale. Perfect. Well, it's a long word, a difficult word. I'm going to write here, well, you're going to spell embarrassed. Okay? Because it has two double letters. Okay? Tell me, please. E-M-B-A-R. Sorry. Double S-E-D. Embarrassed. Yes? Did you have the word? Very good. Now, number 8, we have stressed. Okay? Tell me, please. S-T-R-E double S. Very good. E-D. Stressed. Okay, let's continue with number 9. Upset. Okay? Okay, please tell me. Upset. Yes. U-P-S-E-T. Upset. And the last word is going to be grateful. Okay, spell grateful, please. Okay. G-R-A-T-E-F-U-L. Grateful. Yes? Perfect, kids. So, let's repeat just once more the words. We have photography, village, thermometer, float, measure, scale, embarrassed, stressed, upset, grateful. Excellent. Very good. Now, do you remember that you had to study 2 more verbs? Okay, we have here the verbs and you had to study smoke. Regular verb, smoke. You have your paper at home. Okay, the past and the past participle of smoke is smoked, smoked. Excellent. And we have here enjoy. Enjoyed, enjoyed. Yes? Very good. Now you are going to study for the next class like and talk. We have here like, liked, liked, gustar, and talk, talked, talked, hablar. And on the other page, with the irregular verbs, okay, I let you to study to speak, spoke, spoken, that means hablar. And do, did, done, hacer. Okay, for homework you are going to study 2 more irregular verbs. And they are hurt, hurt, hurt. It doesn't change. And it's herir. And we have here go, went, gone, ir. Okay, you are going to study these 2 irregular verbs and these 2 regular verbs. Okay, now let's continue. I'm going to show you some flashcards, and because we are going to use them later. Okay, we have here airport. Okay, look at the pictures and look at the airport. Okay, do you know what this is? Beach. Okay, this is beach. Okay, let's continue with this. Bus station. Okay, this is a bus station. Yes, we have here another place. And what's this? It's a castle. Yes, castle. And you know what is this? It can be a cinema or it can be a movie theater. That's the same. Movie theater or cinema, it's the same. We continue with this. What's this? It's a church. Okay? This is a church. And then continue with this. Lake. It's a lake. Okay? We have here another lake. And what's this? This is a mountain. Very good, kids. And have you gone to the museum sometime? Okay, this is a museum. And we have here the ocean. Do you like the ocean? Okay, good. Now let's continue. We have here a parking lot. Do you know when you go to a supermarket or a mall or I don't know, but when you go to a place where there are many people, there is a parking lot. Okay, and we have here a restaurant. Yes? Okay, this is a shopping center or a mall. Okay, this is a mall like in Puerta Texcoco or Gran Patio here in Texcoco. This is a mall. Okay, and here we have the sky. Okay, the sky is a place. And here the last one. This is a stadium. Okay, in this stadium you can go to see soccer matches or basketball matches or etc. Okay? Okay, tomorrow we are going to continue checking this, but we are going to work now in the book. And did you do your homeworks, kids? Because we have here, I told you that many of you already done this page. Okay, you tell me, a stunt performer takes the place of the director during the risky scenes? False. Well, I hope that you have learned this story because we all already learned it, read it at home. Here in the classroom. Okay, number 2. You don't need training to become a professional stunt person. You don't need training. False. Number 3. Stunt performers learn skills in gymnastics, high diving and falling, swimming, horseback riding, driving, and martial arts such as karate. Yes? Okay, that's true. They learn skills. Okay, number 4. Stunt performers must spend a lot of time learning how to be actors. Yes or no? Yes, it's true. Number 5. Good stunt performers are the type of people who panic under pressure. Yes or no? False. And the last one. One of the first stunt performers was Yakima Canut. True or false? Of course, true. Okay, now if you already checked this, you are going to answer exercise B that says, think and write. What did you already know about stunt performers? What did you learn? You are going to write here what I knew and in this box what I learned. Okay, let's continue. And okay, we have here, I'm going to read it for you. Think and discuss. Imagine a movie director calls you. She needs a stunt performer in the studio immediately. Are you the right person for the job? Why or why not? You are going to write here if you are the right person for the job and why. Okay? And here we have some spelling words that I've already dictated to, but I'm going to repeat it again. Number 1, lightning, lightning. Number 2, melting, melting. Number 3, getting, getting. Number 4, spring, spring, you have it in the date. And number 5, caring, okay, caring. Okay, kids. When you finish, okay, you are going to answer this page for homework, okay? Because you are going to look at the pictures and see the cause and then the effect. And you remember that we already read these stories. Do you remember the stories? Okay, on Unit 5, on Unit 8. Do you remember? Here we have, it's Unit number 7. The new dam. Do you remember this story? Okay, you are going to answer these sentences. You are going to write if, okay, old or new, okay? Because we need to know which dam caused each effect, okay? Okay, and when you finish, remember this story too, you are going to start here the effect. You are going to look at the picture and you are going to draw the effect. Okay? Okay, you have to read this dialogue and then answer. Okay? Well, let's continue with the language book. Okay, do you remember that I already gave you a summary about who, that, and where? Okay, anyway, I'm going to explain you because here in relative clauses we use which one? Where, that, or who? For people. For people is who, of course. And in relative clauses, we use where or that or who for animals and objects. Yes, that. And we use for places what? In relative clauses, we use where, that, or who for places. Excellent. Where? Okay, now you continue doing this exercise and we already did these sentences. So you are going just to write 2 of these sentences here and okay, using who or where or which. Okay, very good. Now, the last thing we are going to do today is to read this. This exercise on page 102 is reading. And we have here, in the first box. Do you see that man over there, Leah? He's going past the cafe where we had lunch. Isn't it Willie's Bryce? What man? Where? Over there. The man who's wearing sunglasses. Oh, yeah, I think it is. Come on, I've never talked to a famous movie star. Quick! I don't think you're going to talk to one today either. Sam, Willis Breeze is in the taxi that drove past. Okay, now you are going to answer the question. Who does Sam think the man in sunglasses is? Who is it? Do you know? Here it says, he thinks Willis Bryce, the famous movie star. Okay, you are going to read this at home. And do this page that you already have the summary in your notebooks. I already explained it to you. And then we are going to continue next classes with the review. Okay, now you have homework, you have to practice the spelling words, you are going to answer these questions, you are going to send me a photograph by WhatsApp or Gmail. Okay? Thank you very much for your attention, kids. I hope you have enjoyed this class and we see you next Friday. Okay? do your homework and have a nice day. Thank you, kids.